I see it.
Okay.
And then what?
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Are you zooming in like even more?
Yeah, I see it.
Lights?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Now I'll show you the view. Don't
Zoom out.
you can zoom out. See how it's stuck?
Mm-hmm.
You cannot take off. I cannot even shake it off. Because it's like IMU altitude error. And I cannot go up and down, left and right, no, nothing. Like I cannot even move the gimbal.
Mm.
Like I can zoom in.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not going to do anything to us. Yeah, like I just cannot take it off because there's an error. Yep, that's it. Like this what I'm looking at. And get the dates as well.
I'm trying to find it again.
It's stupid right here.
I see it.
And also get the dates of today and time.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.